Explain one thing to me that I don't understand. After the election, the markets really built up substantially, and we were told it was because of the promise of what would come out of Washington and the new Trump administration. That promise seems to have largely at least been put to the side, and yet the markets have not come down. Why?
Well, first of all, I disagree that it was the result of the election that caused the market to go higher. I think the traditional fundamentals, the turn in economic growth, not just in the U.S., but just as importantly overseas, the turn in the OECD leading indicator, the turn in global PMIs, the turn from a 4 consecutive quarter earnings recession for U.S. profitability into what has been a string of very strong quarters. All of that, those inflection points predated the election. So I think that if you believe that, it helps to explain why the market hasn't gone into a more significant corrective phase, given what is at best a push-off of some of these pro-growth policies. I think it was the actual turn in the fundamentals, which predated the election, that drove. Not only that, but this continues to be a massive liquidity story. When you have money supply, not just in the United States, but globally, growing faster than both nominal and real GDP, that money has to find a place to go, and it's finding its way into equities. So those are not politically oriented reasons why the market has gone up, and may explain why the market has not tanked on some of these concerns.